Kia ora. In this video we're going to show you how to add a mask region to your video to stop recording happening in areas where movement may happen that you don't want to trigger recording. This is an example video where this would apply, where there's some sea and sky that creates movement, triggers a video, and it just wastes storage and bandwidth and your time if you're reviewing these videos. So we can add a mask that will stop this sort of thing happening. And the way you do that is you click on the camera name. You can do this from the devices menu on the side, or just click on the camera name. Click on the setup tab here and go to define mask region. Now you see an example of a recent image taken from that camera, and you can just add a new mask region by clicking on this and add some points. And you can create any arbitrary shape you want. So here I'm going to leave this bit up here, which looks, there might be some movement you want back in that area to trigger a video. And I'm just trying to sort of mainly get most of the sea and sky. And there I've created a shape. I'll give this a name. I'll call it sea and sky. Optionally, you can get an alert when an animal enters that region if you want to say that. That might be useful if you've defined where a trap is in the video. Now, you add that region and you can see that it is now masked out. And so this only works for cameras that are in low power mode. And of course, you define it on the Cacophony portal. So the camera has to be connected for the Cacophony portal to communicate this mask back to the camera. At the moment, we don't have the ability to do this for offline cameras. It's really important you don't move the camera after you've done this, because if you move it so that it was pointing a little bit more to the left or the right, for example, then that mask wouldn't be in the right place, or you'd have to create a new mask. Now, what will happen now is any movement in that area won't trigger a video. You'll get a lot less videos, save on bandwidth, and less videos to review.